make the base on my eyelids, and just I'm putting some compact to set it. Now the first transition shade, it is a medium brown color which I am putting above my crease line. Blend it well. The next shade, which is dark in color, I am putting on my crease and मैं इसको थोड़ा बाहर भी निकाल रही हूँ अपने आईज के आउटर वी पे. Now blend it so well so that the color is blended properly. Now the next shade is copper glitter color. ये मैं सिर्फ अपनी क्रीज तक लगा रही हूँ और बहुत ही कंट्रोल्ड वे में लगा रही हूँ. इस कलर को मैं अपने मिड आईलिड तक लेकर आऊँगी. The next shade is again a copper brown color but a little different. So I am putting it on the shade which I have already put to give a new kind of shade. The next shade is I am putting it from my highlighter palette. मैं मिड तक लेकर आई थी बट इनर कॉर्नर से मिड तक जाते हुए जो दोनों के बीच में ब्लेंड हो रहा है वहाँ तक मैं इसको ब्रश से और फिर फिंगर की हेल्प से अप्लाई कर लूँगी. Blend all the colors well. Now I am doing my brows. I am just putting a dark brown color very lightly with a light hand. As I am not doing my whole face, the whole idea was to just show the eyes. So there is not full face makeup. After curling my lashes, I am doing liner. In this look, I kept it simple but heavy. So there is no lens, lashes or anything. So we'll make the eyeliner wingy type. Yes, like this. Now I'll put my mascara. Now I put mascara in a different manner. So I put 3 coats of mascara. The first coat I just put on the tips of my lashes, सिर्फ ऊपर से. The second coat I start from my mid lashes, and the third final coat I start applying mascara from the roots, from the starting. In this way the lashes get very fuller look. As I told you, I am not doing my whole face, so I'll just put a little compact underneath my eyes so that I can proceed with the lower eye makeup. I am putting the brown shade which I used for transition. Don't put it completely, leave it till the mid. Now one highlighter shade in the inner corners. Mascara is must in lower lashes also. It just creates a good look. Putting highlighter on my brow bone. So this is the very neutral or basic look which can go with any outfit. Without lenses, without lashes, it still looks heavy, but at the same way very subtle. So thanks for watching everyone. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.